Welcome to Storypie. Let me tell you a wonderful story called The Knight and the Sparkling Starstone. In the Faraway Kingdom, nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, lived a brave and friendly knight named Backra. Backra wasn't just any knight. He possessed a magical sword that glowed with a soft, warm light. His armor, too, shimmered, almost as if it were made of the stars themselves. The kingdom was known for its sparkling starstone, a giant gemstone that hung in the center of the crystal caves. This starstone was the source of all light and magic in the kingdom. Its gentle glow lit up the nights and powered everything, from the magical trains that zipped across the land to the tiny, glittering fireflies that danced in the meadows. One day, a most unusual event occurred. The sparkling starstone began to dim. Its brilliant light softened, casting long, eerie shadows across the crystal caves. The kingdom was thrown into a hush of worry. The fireflies stopped dancing, and the magical trains slowed to a crawl. Even the usually cheerful birdsong seemed a little less bright. What could be wrong? The king asked, his voice filled with concern. Someone must find out. Backra, always ready to help, stepped forward. I will go, Your Majesty. I will discover what has caused the starstone to dim. And so, Backra began his quest. He stood before the starstone, examining it carefully. The air around it felt heavy, and the soft glow was clearly fading. As he looked down, he noticed something odd. Strange tracks, glowing faintly, led away from the starstone and out of the crystal caves. Backra muttered. Looks like someone, or something, has been here. Backra followed the tracks, his magical sword lighting his path. The tracks led him toward the Whispering Woods, a place known for its peculiar creatures and secrets. The woods were filled with giant mushrooms that glowed in the dark, trees with faces that seemed to smile, and strange, sweet-smelling flowers that whispered secrets to the wind. Backra knew this journey wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to solve the mystery and restore the sparkling starstone's light. The tracks led him deeper and deeper into the woods, where he came across a group of unusual creatures. There was a fluffy creature wearing a tiny construction hat, a group of brightly colored birds, and an old owl with wise eyes. They all looked at him with a mixture of curiosity and caution. "Who goes there?" hooted the owl, his voice deep and wise. Backra smiled. "I am Backra, a knight from the Faraway Kingdom. I'm here to find out why our sparkling starstone is dimming." The creatures exchanged worried glances. "We've noticed it too," said the fluffy creature. "Our homes aren't as bright. It's like the magic is fading." Backra listened carefully to the creatures' tales. The brightly colored birds spoke of a strange, shadowy figure they had seen near the starstone. The fluffy creature, who loved building, shared that even the materials he used to create were losing their spark. "The energy is getting weaker," he explained. "We are also missing the light," said the owl. "We need someone to help us." Backra nodded, understanding that he wasn't alone in his problem. "We must work together." Backra spent a day with the creatures, listening to their stories and learning about the woods. He discovered that the creatures had been experiencing their own magical problems. The flowers weren't as fragrant, the mushrooms weren't as bright, and even the water in the river seemed to be losing its sparkle. Backra asked the creatures questions. They shared what they knew with the night. Through their talks and the clues, he learned that the problem might stem from a greedy creature. It appeared the greedy creature wanted all of the magic to themselves. As the night fell, Backra and the creatures worked together. The night came up with a plan. It required them to build something. The creatures helped by collecting materials. The birds used their wings to carry twigs, and the fluffy creature created a platform. Together, they built a magical bridge that could redirect the flow of energy and restore the kingdom's magic. The creatures followed Bakra's plan and were able to build a train to travel to the greedy creature's dwelling. Backra, the owl, and the other creatures journeyed to the shadowy dwelling. Backra spoke to the greedy creature, trying to reach out to them. He explained how everyone in the kingdom was suffering from the greedy creature's selfishness. the creature was moved by their words. They decided to share the magic with the rest of the kingdom. With the solution in hand, Backra, together with the creatures, returned to the crystal caves. There, standing before the Starstone, they performed a magical ritual. As the last step, they all closed their eyes, wished upon a star, and thought of each other. The Starstone began to glow again, brighter than ever before. The light spread out, embracing the kingdom in its warmth. The magical train sped up, and the fireflies began to dance in the meadows once more. The kingdom was saved. The creatures were happy. The knight had solved the case, made new friends, and showed everyone that even the smallest act of kindness can have a huge impact on the world. Backra smiled, knowing that the greatest magic of all was friendship and teamwork. Backra knew that together they would build a better world. Let's see what a great listener you are. Can you answer the following question? What did Backra do when he saw the tracks? Let's see how you did. The answer is, Backra followed the tracks toward the Whispering Woods to solve the mystery. You did a great job, and they all lived happily ever after. Thanks for listening. Come back soon.